Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Ford Fiesta CL Hatch, stock reference number 3911. This shape runs from the 10th month 2008 through to the 8th month 2013. It has a 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. HXJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left-hand side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. It's fitted with factory 15-inch steel rims. The left rear has a good tyre. Left tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey striped type interior. It has a black center console, manual type, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, display cluster, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.